resist it. I had to go and have a swim. And there I am. Oh geez, nearly 62 and still swimming all right. Oh gee, I'll tell you, it's a beautiful spot. If you really wanted to keep fit, you could move to Forster and it's got everything there. Yeah, anyway, it was a beautiful spot. It was actually calm then windy, as you'll notice. But as we established, it's not about relaxation here. Forster's fitness culture thrives. Oh, thanks in part for this iconic ocean pool. This saltwater oasis not only provides a safe haven for swimmers of all ages, but also serves as a hub for the local fitness community. For early morning laps or group yoga sessions by the water's edge, the ocean pool fosters a sense of community and well-being among residents and visitors alike. Geez, I tell you, there was a lady that just jumped in there and she was in the Forster Surf Club, I think, on a set of togs. She was so fit. I would love to have got a film of her physique, but yeah, sometimes you just got to draw the line, you know, on how much you can film. But yeah, I was just admiring how fit she was. She had muscles on muscles. It was unbelievable. Anyway, here's the view you got here. Absolutely incredible. So whether you're looking to catch a wave, savour a cup of coffee, or dive into a fitness adventure, Forster offers the perfect blend of beachside charm and active living. Welcome to paradise on the New South Wales coast. The water temperature in this pool was a lot warmer than the air outside, believe it or not. I didn't want to get out. It was beautiful. And the swimming, actually, because you're swimming in salt water, you actually float a bit better. I don't know if anyone knew that, but anyway, that's one of the things that happens in life. You float a bit better in the salt water than you do in the fresh water. But it's absolutely glorious, and I highly recommend if you come to Forster, you bring your togs, because having a swim here is really something special. It's an amazing view, but it's also an amazing feeling to be able to get a bit of exercise in when you're doing the van life. So I did book into a local Reflections caravan park. It wasn't cheap. It was actually quite expensive. It was really expensive. As you'll find out later in the video, how expensive.
Love it early in the morning, guys. We managed to get a parking right out in the front, which is good.
The representative from California has the floor.
Really good.
Sing up to the president, Gatsman. Pumped away is your
In Forster, rising with the sun holds more than just a promise of a beautiful day. It's a gateway to a multitude of benefits for both mind and body, as you'll see these people enjoying that morning sunrise on the main beach at Forster. Sounds American, doesn't it, the way I say it? It's because of that rolling R in the name. So, there's plenty of activity both in and out of the water. And as you can see, getting a park isn't difficult. And obviously, it's like anywhere. You get up early, you're going to get the park, you're going to get the greatest vantage point, and you're going to have a really nice start to your day. You're not searching for a car park. You're going to have the best car park possible if you get there early enough. And also, you're going to start your day in a really good way. So don't miss out on any adventure ideas. Subscribe to Stay Awesome Van Life on YouTube. And follow us on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook for daily doses of wanderlust, van life tips, jaw-dropping travel inspiration. Join our community, like the video and leave a comment. Hey guys, good morning from Forster should I say? I don't even know what day it is. I do not know, I'm guessing it's Wednesday. On the beach here, it's looking wonderful. Just had some breakfast, it was really nice. Breakfast was just there at the Beach Bums, Forster Main Beach. But yeah, this surf is starting to get glassy, starting to look really good.
A few rocks hidden in there though, that if you weren't a local you wouldn't know about.
With Vanlife, embrace the unexpected. While my hair decided to take a vibrant orange hue in these selfies, it's all part of the fun of exploring the stunning murals painted on the beach wall. These artworks fully embody the essence of the Australian spirit, capturing the country's rich cultural diversity and natural beauty in every stroke. I loved it. So despite my unexpected hair transformation, I couldn't resist pausing to capture these moments against the backdrop of such inspiring artwork. After all, it's not every day that you get to be surrounded by such creative expressions of Australian culture. So let's wind the clock back to a few hours earlier when I arrived.
There's a swimming pool in the distance. Oh, it looks really nice too. And then here we have the beach. And then over here you've got a coffee shop. But I think it says closed. I could be wrong.
Overall, my first impressions of Forster were nothing short of magical. From the stunning beaches to the inviting ocean pool and bustling cafes, it was a place where relaxation and adventure go hand in hand. I knew right away I was in for an unforgettable coastal experience. Forster was just glowing.
Here we are heading for the pool. Bloody Siri, every time I get something happening, Siri's got to say something. But yeah, so there's the pool, but I'll stop filming when I get closer because I feel a bit odd when people are scantily dressed and I've got a camera. Doesn't look good.
So the Forster Ocean Baths awaits us. Well, time to take the plunge. Here we go.
I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one. And I walk up my shadows.
Hard to try and swim, but I'm walking this. Anyway, we're getting there. Over here, you've even got oysters. You've got oysters starting to grow. There's actually oysters there, oyster shells, you name it. So you can actually cut yourself pretty bad if you're not careful.
At this point, I wish I had an oyster knife. It would have come in handy. I could have had the most luxurious lunch. And speaking of which, it's about time I headed toward the Beach Bum Cafe. Time to get out of the pool and get a feed. The wind was blowing a bit, but it was intermittent. Now and again it'd blow. And it was blowing that much when I arrived at the pool. I had to put a rock on top of my clothes so they wouldn't be blown away. See that? Oh, gee. Improvise, guys, improvise. Not a paperweight, clothes weight. The wind had blown the surf out a bit, but I could see on a calm day how to be absolutely beautiful. And the vantage point from the pool, you could actually watch the guys coming in surfing in front of you.
Anyway, had a nice swim and I'm going to lie down now, so talk to you when I've had a bit of a snooze in the sun. I'm going to enjoy these rays. The one guy's nearly out. Where I had breakfast this morning, guys. Van's there. Oh, nice place, bacon and eggs and a cappuccino that's large, only 20 bucks, so it's really reasonable.
I headed back to the Beach Bum, grabbed a feed and off to the caravan park. I treated caravan parks like a treat. I wouldn't do it all the time. I'd stealth camp or free camp somewhere. And then, yeah, $61 for the night here. Reflections caravan parks always sort of price gouged. They always said that every campsite was a powered site. So we're paying for a powered site even though you didn't need it. So not a good thing. Other parks don't do that. You have unpowered and powered. But reflections, yeah, if you see them and you want it cheap night, just look somewhere else. Back to the pool. Here we go. Got to have another dip and then go. So next episode, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed that one. And there's plenty more on the playlist. There's about 180, 190 videos. All on van life. Stay awesome, everyone. And see you on the road.